transmitters were probably toward the front of the train.
Let's move up. Heads up!
We shouldn't stay here long.
I hear that. What's in here?
Push forward! Reloading!
There's ammo here.
But it's hell to navigate up here.
Roger, we're pushing forward.
Over there.
Stay low! Keep
Reloading! Suppressive fire! Reloading! We need to push on! Through here!
Wait, counterbalance. I got it.
Murphy,
I'm here! What shit was that close?
look for another way around. I'll meet you up ahead. Murphy, I see the transmitters, but...
Interrupt the connection. Switch off anything linked to an antenna.
Murph, it didn't work.
Then they set up a backup. Look for something with a battery and a lot of wires going into it.
Yeah, I see it.
Disconnect every wire.
You almost here? The launch is still active.
Maybe it's talking to another console.
It's online. No idea what it's doing.
Then just break the shit out of it.
Can do. Fuck, strike. Tell me it was enough.
Has hit clear. The bird's on the way.
Oh, God.
It's not a full salvo, Has. It worked. Dagger, unable to land. Obstruction on LC. We've got incoming. Friendly on intercept. In a spin! Can't recover!
Those men trust me with their lives, Has. If we break that trust, what the fuck are we dying for? There's better freedoms out there. Don't you want to die for something real?
Come on, Harris. Still got work to do. Hell. And if Carter hadn't made it to the transmitters, it'd be worse.
Hey, yo, Murph. He's coming around.
The strike. We got it.
It's okay, Has.
Murphy.
They intercepted almost all the missiles. Big residential neighborhoods made it. We saved a lot of lives.
Yeah, and all your wounds are superficial, so you're gonna be okay. You know, aside from whatever you picked up swimming in the East River.
You should see the one that got away.
Hey, they want to take him to the fob over at Fulton, just to be safe.
I'm fine.
Guys. Has. It's Mills. She says President Fernandez has been moved to a safe house across town.
Tell her we gotta make a stop at Empire Fulton Ferry.
Wait. Kincaid!
He's not here, Has.
It's because the bastard's on his way to the real target. What's bigger than New York?
President Fernandez.
That's right. Yeah, go. Get the location of the safe house from Mills. Tell her we're headed there now.
Roger that.
Headed there in... what? Our little bird got totaled.
There's our ride right there.
That thing? Pretty sure Pax just ditched that.
Yeah, well, if it runs, we're in business. Look, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But you can visit me in the brig after the president's safe, okay?
I'm glad the fall knocked the stick out of your keys, Top.